A lot of people find a job or internship through networking. But what is networking? Why is it important? And how can I do it effectively? The 6 degrees of separation theory states that all people are 6 or fewer social connections away from each other. This shows that networking is a great way to put yourself out there. It can open new doors and eventually help you to find a job or internship. Networking is based on the question, what can I bring or what do I have to offer, and not on what can I get. So don't ask for a job straight away. Instead, ask questions to get more information and receive tips and tricks from, for example, alumni and recruiters. Networking is a great way to find out more about jobs and organizations so that you can make better choices, to learn from the experiences of others and get inspired, to discover hidden vacancies, and to receive tips and tricks from alumni. But where to network and with whom? You can network with alumni and recruiters at, for example, career events or through LinkedIn. But don't forget your personal network. Your fellow students, family and friends, they are just as important. LinkedIn is a great platform to start networking. First, make sure you create a strong profile that expresses your personal brand. Then, start expanding your network. Connect with recruiters and show them your interest. Research alumni and see what their path was. Connect with those alumni who have an interesting profile and ask for tips and advice. And follow interesting companies and groups. If you send a connection request, make sure it contains why you reach out, what you are looking for, and end with a clear call to action. Make it short with the right tone of voice. If your connection request is accepted, you can start a conversation through LinkedIn to ask for more information. Some practical tips if you start to network. Ask a lot of questions. Be curious. Listen and show sincere attention to the other person. And don't be afraid to ask for help. People like helping others, but always be willing to help the other person out as well. So, in summary, what can you do yourself? Determine your goal, check your own network, visit career events, update your LinkedIn profile and make connections, and have your elevator pitch ready. Need help? Student Career Services offers multiple workshops to help you with networking. You can also make an appointment with the Career Services officer of your school via the career portal. Together you can discuss your questions and you can receive advice and guidance to take the next step in your career preparation.